On December 9th, the European Union Delegation in Burundi and the Ministry of Justice contract together free project to support the judicial sector. With funding of 50 million euros, the free project will affect the aspect of digitization and archiving of judicial files as well as legal aid. According to Claude Bouchu, the European Union ambassador to Burundi, the free project aims at strengthening judicial services in order to provide quality services to the population and to promote access to justice with particular emphasis on vulnerable people. Delight with the good collaboration with the Ministry of Justice in the development of the free project, the European Union calls on other funds for the judicial sector, which is faced with a number of challenges.
And obviously, this is one program, important, and maybe other donors will be also interested in supporting these kind of efforts. So I'm not saying that we're going to reform 100% the ministry. This is not the purpose. This is to support the ministry in solving some issues. One of them is digitalization of archives and of their services, which is very important because it gives a more solid basis for what they do and the service they provide to Burundians. So I'm proud and happy that finally it took shape, and so the free contracts were signed today.
According to the Dutch NGO Cordaid, the justice sector is one of the sectors that have not attracted development partners or international organizations since 2015. To achieve its objective of promoting access to justice, Cordaid intends to work with organizations fighting for the rights for prisoners and the two bar association. As for the sustainability of this project, a crucial issue, according to the country director of Cordaid, it's necessary to strengthen the capacity of partners and local organizations in order to ensure the continuity of this program without resorting to international organizations.
We will provide free legal assistance, meaning that lawyers will work for free for vulnerable people. We will work for this with bar associations, Bar Association of Bujumbura and Gitega Bar Association. Then we will also work on prison issues because there are lots of people, detainees in Burundi, who remain for a long time in prisons and they need some people to support them to come out of prison. So we will work for the local NGO called Tabaritza, who will work for prisoners with the prison administration.
Concerned about the present situation of more than 118% and the loss of judicial files, the NGOs Inabel and Libraries Without Boundaries, which respectively pilot the digitization and archiving project for the judicial services, hope to fulfill their mission before the execution of the contract. In addition to the digitization, the Belgian NGO Inabel will also support the rehabilitation of prison infrastructure.
Rehabilitate through infrastructure some detention centers, so with the aim to improve the general environment conditions of the prison for the detainees. This is very important. I think this project will overall provide a better judicial justice offer to citizens through better protocols, better mechanisms, and hopefully better access to justice.
The Ministry of Justice welcomes the European Union support to the justice sector in Burundi. The permanent secretary of this ministry says that the support of the European Union remains necessary because, according to him, the ministry has many projects requiring support from development partners.
La signature aujourd'hui des contrats avec les partenaires de mise en œuvre de ces trois projets à réaliser pour le secteur de la justice est un signe éloquent de l'accompagnement de l'Union européenne au renforcement d'un état de droit au Burundi. Nous ne doutons pas que ces projets pilotes vont ouvrir la porte à beaucoup d'autres. C'est pourquoi nous ne manquerions pas de mentionner que le ministère de la Justice a d'autres projets classés parmi les priorités et dont l'appui des partenaires de poids comme l'Union européenne reste nécessaire. Nous affirmons que le ministère fera tout pour que ces projets se réalisent à l'entière satisfaction de toutes les parties, en particulier à la population bénéficiaire. Nous espérons que dans un très proche avenir, la réalisation de ces mêmes projets va s'étendre dans d'autres provinces du pays, en plus de ces provinces pilotes.
This free project will start in January 2023 for a 3-year implementation period. They will be carried out in the provinces of Bujumbura, Ngozi, Cibitoke, Muramvya, Mwaro, Cankuzo, Makamba, Muyinga, Kirundo, Ruyigi and Karusi.